So, hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is Journal 7 Days 7 Osho, not Osho, I'm sorry, Oracle messages for from 13th till the 19th of April 2026. Okay, they might or might not resonate. Please keep in mind it's a general reading, it's not your personal reading. Please don't take them personally. Whatever resonates, take it and leave the other part. Okay, for personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. It's a request. Please don't try to take this reading as a very personal reading and trying to make choices or decision based on these readings only. This is your responsibility, your free will of whatever you guys are going to do. Okay, I'm not claiming this is anybody's personal reading. Never on my channel I claimed that. Anyways, let's see the overall energy for you guys for this week. मैं ही क्यों इश्क जाहिर करूं, तू भी तो कुछ बोल दे, बोल दे. Let's see. Five of Michael. This situation doesn't serve you. Something is not serving your life purpose. Something is not serving your journey anymore. Release your attachment to the outcome. You guys might be having some kind of severe attachment to the kind of outcome that you want in a particular situation. Releasing your attachment is going to help you to get the kind of outcome that you want. Consider taking a more uplifting approach instead of focusing on the negatives all the time. Try to focus on the positives from this point onwards, not forcibly, but bring your awareness to the positive sides of life again and again and again. That's how it works. 13th, we have the 8 of Gabriel, a great deal of activity, sudden and immediate results, important communication. Some things are going to shift very quickly on this day. Things will start changing very quickly on this day. Sudden and immediate results. You guys are going to get some kind of sudden immediate results of your work, of something that you have done, or important communication. If you guys are waiting for some kind of important communication or maybe documentation kind of thing, that can also happen. Kabutar, ja, ja, ja. Hey. Okay. 14th, we have the star. A dream come true, believe in yourself, the end of a difficult situation. Some kind of dream can come true, Aquarius. You guys have to believe in yourself and believe in the universe, the divine timing, the process. This can be end of a very difficult situation in your life if you are going to allow it to happen. I'm scared. Papa. 13, 14. It can be a lizard or a pigeon or something. 13, 14. 15th, we have the 3 of Ariel. Do what you love and love what you do. A time of great personal growth in your career or artistic endeavors. You guys are going to make great use of this day because you guys are going to get some kind of good growth in your career or artistic things. Working with others in a cooperative manner is going to help you guys to get something done in a positive way, very positive way. 13, 14, 15, 16th, we have the High Priestess, powerful psychic insights. If you guys are connected with your intuition, you guys are going to get some kind of powerful psychic insights on this particular day. The messages that comes to you without any reasons, when you will be least expecting. That's how you get psychic information. Reflection and meditation that provides valuable information. If you're going to sit with yourself, reflect on your life and meditate for some time, you will start getting valuable informations and some kind of what we can say guidance also from within yourself. Be at peace with yourself, be at peace with whatever is happening right now, and everything will start working out the way it should. 13, 14, 15, 16. 17th, we have the 10 of Gabriel. Ask your angels for helpful people to lighten your load. If you believe in angels, I don't, because I know there is no angel in the sky. We are the angels here, we are the devils here. Ask ask the universe, the existence, or if you believe in angels, you can ask your angels for helpful people to lighten your load. You might be working too much, especially when it comes to working too many hours, working like doing so many things at the same time, or working too much. Ask for other helpful people to help you out. Trying too hard to please others, don't try too hard to please others. Okay, when we try too hard to do something in our life, we always lose the grip, we always lose that thing most of the time. So don't try too hard to please others. Be confident, do your work with positivity, and just let it be, and you will get whatever you want. Relaxing and detachment is the answer. 18th, we have the Empress. Time to act upon your plans. You might be planning something from a long time, and you might not be taking any kind of action in this direction, in that direction. Don't do that. This is the time for you guys to act on your plans. Don't just keep on planning like me, right? I'm planning to do the Osho meditations, 7 days meditations, like from a long time, and from May onwards I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that, it's a promise. So creativity is rewarded. Luxurious or abundant resources, your creative side is going to give you a lot of rewards. Now the meaning of reward is different from different, for some of you, you guys might be seeking external validation, that is your reward. For others of you, you guys are going to feel happy and content from inside, that is your reward. Whatever it is applicable, whatever is applicable in your case. Luxurious or abundant resources, you guys are going to be provided some kind of resources. Use them wisely, okay? Use them very, very wisely, whether it's like, especially if they are free, and something that you're getting from the universe itself, okay? That's the deal. 13, 14, 15, 19th, 10 of Raphael. Love and blessings fill your life. You guys are going to feel loved, you guys are going to feel blessed, and it's going to fill your life with a lot of joy and happiness, especially when, if you're going to connect with your family or people who are like family to you. Your harmonious relationship with your family members, like your relationship with your family members, or people who are like family to you, is going to be quite harmonious and happily ever after. Maybe for some of you, you guys are going to end up connecting with a person with whom you can see a good future with. Or if you guys are already married, you guys will be able to have a really good bond with your spouse or with your partner if you're in a committed relationship and having a good bond. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week. मैं हूँ क्यों इश्क ज़ाहिर करूँ, तू भी तो कुछ बोल दे, बोल दे. Page of Gabriel. Follow your passion. Follow your passion. Don't blindly, not blindly, but follow your passion. You're ready for any challenge. So once you will start following your passion, you are going to be ready for any kind of obstacles or challenges, to face them properly, and then release them. Opportunities for excitement and adventure. For some of you, you might be looking forward to have some kind of trip or adventure, and you guys are very excited about it. You should be. Follow your passion. You guys will be able to handle any kind of obstacles or challenges also, and you guys are going to get some kind of opportunities for excitement and adventure. I was about to sneeze. But anyways, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.